Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a fall decoration. So what you'll need is a can, like any can, like I just grabbed my mom's corn can, it doesn't matter. And you can, and some sticks, wood sticks that you can order off Amazon. And you'll need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks because you need a lot of hot glue gun sticks. And I'm gonna use this fake flowers from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you're gonna have to heat up your hot glue gun and grab the sticks. And you go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead and show you. Go ahead and put the glue, hot glue, on. And you grab the stick and put it right on it. So basically like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So you guys basically, so this can be anything, like you guys can use this as a house decoration or give this as a gift to your teacher, or you can use it where you can put markers, pencils, like supplies in. Like you can basically use this for anything. And it's just really cute. And it's extremely easy to make. See? This is what it looks so far. I'm seeing like if the wood would smell like something. Then, and it's just so cute because like it's just like stuff you can get easily, or it's just stuff that you already have at home. Like these wood sticks, you can order them, or if you have like sticks outside, you can go ahead and grab the sticks from your backyard or front yard or something. See guys, I'm already done with one hot glue gun stick, so you'll need a whole bunch of hot glue gun sticks. Okay, so this is how it came out. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty with the fake flowers. And I decided to add burlap on this one. So this is without and with the burlap. And it's just really pretty, and it's really easy to make, and it's really cheap. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, do a thumbs up, and share. Bye!